We're at Stoney Creek and there was a fire alarm going off. Oh, I wonder where everyone's going. Oh wow, everyone's getting out of here right now because of Stoney Creek having a fire alarm. Fire alarm, everybody! We got a fire alarm. This is all recorded. This is all recorded here.
Are you Facebook Living this?
No, this is all recorded. Don't get your voice in it, cause I'm recording. Everyone's in here right now, leaving the stage. Oh. What's on fire? What's on fire? Is there an explosion coming? I hope not. Gotta keep it safe. Love you.